In this video, I'll present DeepExtract. This is the new method for processing files and URLs in Monkt. So first, when you go to the dashboard, you can see that we have a new checkbox, and it's important to mention that it is available only for Pro and Enterprise users. So when you come here, you can check this and you'll be able to process the document in another way, completely different. Now, let's get this paper and try it. We use URL, mark DeepExtract, and transform. It's a little bit slower than the standard method, but let's compare them in terms of quality first. Here is the standard way without DeepExtract, and it should be pretty fast. So we get this content, and when we inspect it, we can see that we have basically all the text, but some moments from the paper are missing. So, for example, tables are not ordered, and some of the content is not super aligned. So this is a problem for some of the users. So we decide to release this DeepExtract feature to Pro tiers. This content basically will work with the JSON schemas, and the custom prompts, of course, but for some use cases, we need to extract more information from the paper and put it in more structured way. So this is where DeepExtract comes. So this is already finished here with the stars are the content which is processed by DeepExtract. And now we can see that the paper is in a better shape, let's say like that. So we have the formatting, we have more content here, and we have the images. If we scroll down, we should find hopefully tables, another images, and yeah, the tables, which are organized in a better way. If we inspect the raw content, we can see that we still have the papers in Markdown format, and this is a far more advanced way of the standard way. And that's not everything. If we download the zip file, it should contain many other information inside. So we unzip it and we check the content inside. We have first HTML page, which is the content in HTML form. We have the base 64 images embedded in the HTML, the tables, and so on. So that's one of the things here. We have the Markdown files themselves. One of those is with base 64 images embedded inside the document, and the other one is with image references to those folder where the image are basically situated. So here are the images. We have another folder where we have a better quality of the images, so you can inspect those, but basically you have all the images extracted and organized. Also, we have the same for tables, which we extract in terms of Markdown, but we have it in terms of images, so you can process them in your specific pipeline. And we have pages, which is very good for different kind of document retrieval systems. Like, for example, if you want to embed them with Copilot and then make a search on top of that, and you will be able to fetch this page and then process with different LLMs. So we have a lot of content here. We have the two types of JSONs. Both are deterministic. So the first one is simple, where we extract basically the goal here is to have the full text from the paper and put it in a very simple way. So we have everything extracted here in a JSON, which should be valid. And yeah, we have the full JSON, which is far more complex with boundaries and different locations of different elements and different type of Markdown files, like I mentioned. So that's in short. If we see here, the difference are very big. So depends on the use case. You can use the standard or the DeepExtract method. For URLs and websites, basically the standard way works a little bit better. So DeepExtract is more like PDF and Office documents. And if you want to parse websites and extract JSON or Markdown, you can still use the standard way without DeepExtract. So like I said, it is only available for Pro and Enterprise users. Thank you for the attention.